Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome back to my channel. I am doing a little bit of a different video today because I cannot let this problem go on any longer. I need to organize my makeup and skincare. It is out of control. Let me show you how my bathroom looks right now. So here is my bathroom countertop. Hi there. Oh, you can see my closet that needs work behind me. So this is my daily makeup. There is no way I am using this much makeup every day. I need to narrow that down. But what I also really need to tackle are these drawers that are just filled with my daily skincare, but I have way more in here than I use daily. Let's turn around and let me show you. This is more skincare that I have to organize. Makeup. A disaster. And I have this new organization system that I'm trying to work on, but I just have not moved any of these products clearly into my new organization system. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to tackle at least some of it. You're going to help me? He says, I'll help you by probably stealing the products and running away with them. But so first things first, I think I'm just going to empty out this drawer. I'm going to put it into a plastic bag and then we will go through it. Okay, I can't believe I had all of this stuff in that one drawer. This is crazy. That's a small drawer. Okay, I should go through and organize these into categories. Okay, so I basically have it organized into categories now. And I'll go through each category. Over here, I have the products that are open that I've already started using. So a lot of these are face masks. So I'm going to keep these and continue using them. I was really good at doing a mask pretty much every week, and now I have really fallen off of that. But these are the masks that I'm going to keep and continue using. I've got Wander Beauty, this like really strong dirt mask. This is a really great Goldfaden MD strong mask, some clay masks, more like hydrating masks as well, depending on how my skin is. I also have a sleeping mask from Glow Recipe. Here are just some random acne patches, eye masks, which I should definitely use more. These are also eye masks. Here are a few natural deodorants that really did not work well for me, but I started them, so I might use them occasionally. But my daily deodorant is this one here. But so I also have a lip scrub. I really didn't love this lip scrub, but I don't have that many lip scrubs, so I guess I should keep using this. I also have this Gua Sha from Osea, which I should really start using. And then here I just have one backup lip mask from Laneige. And then here I was putting my liquid highlighters in that drawer and then I forgot about them, but to mix in with my body lotion. So we've got Cover FX, Suva, another Cover FX glitter drops. These are amazing, but I'm gonna move these so that I don't forget about them again. Next up, I have my daily skincare products. Here's Dexter. And I've kind of broken it out into morning and night. So I can show you the products that I've been using for my morning and night skincare routines. So this is my daily deodorant from Schmidt's, Coconut and Kaolin Clay. And then I've been using this vitamin E oil after showers for where I have like scarring, stretch marks, things like that, to try and help heal that. I also use this Tend Skin after my shower for where I'd get razor burn. And then my moisturizer after my shower right now is the Ahava Time to Hydrate Essential Day Moisturizer, which is really nice, hydrating, has a nice scent. And then as needed, I have these Zit Cream Spot Treatments. This one's from the dollar store. this one's from Amazon. This one's really strong. It works well, but it definitely dries out my skin really badly. And then I also just have here my dental stuff. So these are teeth whitening pens, which I have not really been using. And then I just have my flossers that I like. And then so every day after I cleanse my skin, which my cleanser is in the shower, but I use the Biro Bitter Green Essence Toner, which I've been really liking. I am using the Kismet Beauty Natural Lip Conditioner and the Nacific Fresh Herb Origin Eye Cream. So those I use morning and night. Then also in the morning, I'm wearing the Kula Organic Mineral Face Sunscreen. I honestly don't love this. It has a weird scent, kind of a weird texture, but it seems to work fine. It's matte finish, but it still kind of has a greasiness to it. Definitely would not repurchase, but I need a moisturizing sunscreen in the morning, so I've been using it. And then I've also been using my Biro Tomato Serum in the morning. This is really nice. I feel like it gives good glow to my skin. And then at night, I'm using the Mallet and Goetz Recovery Treatment Oil, which is almost gone. And I'm using the Pyote Hydra 24 Cream Glaze. This is like a fancy moisturizer, but it's really nice. And then this here is a prescription retinol, which I'll put on my neck sometimes. That's my daily skincare right now. And then, oh my gosh, do I have a lot of masks. So these here are all masks that are not open yet, which I should give away or give as gifts. So I'm probably not going to keep any of these, even though they are probably really nice, but I haven't tried them yet. And then here are all of my sheet masks. Like I said, I have not really been masking very much. So I'm gonna hold on to a few of these that I've been really wanting to try and get myself to finally do some masks. But some of these I will give away, give as gifts so that other people can use them. These here are all of my eye masks. I can't believe I have so many eye masks, but I love under eye masks, so I'll probably keep a lot of these. I'll give a few away to family and friends, but like these are amazing. The Wander Beauty under eye masks are amazing. I have been wanting to try out the Babe Lash and the Rodial, so I need to get myself to wear eye masks. Like I need to incorporate that into my skincare ASAP. And then I also have some lip masks. These I also need to start using a lot. I've been wanting to try all of these. I just have 4 of them, but I really, like maybe I'll use these today. These and an eye mask I need to do today. All right, so I know this still looks like a mess, but I kind of tried to organize it. Non-sheet masks there, sheet masks, under eye masks, lip masks here, my daily skincare products in the front. All right, maybe we should move on to some makeup now. I think for makeup, I'll take this basket here because this is just a mishmash of random, somewhat newer makeup that I should really organize by category. All right, I have organized it all into sections, but my big tip for when I'm organizing my makeup is to take it all out of the boxes. Then it takes up less room, you can see it better. So I'll go through each section. Here I have my Lancome mascara primer in Dexter. I repurchased this in the full size, so I'll be using that soon. And then here I have brow pencils. I have the $1 Billion Brow Pencil and my Mastori brow pencils. And then here I have some brow gels. Love the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. And then here is a Wet n Wild Brow Gel. And then this is the $1 Billion Brow Gel from that same kit. Also from that $1 Billion Brows kit, I have the kind of highlighter stick and the brush. So I'll put those in different sections. here I have my eyeshadow singles. So we've got some Pixie, Il Maquillage, IBY Beauty, and Naked Cosmetics. Open those so you can see. Some glitter, Naked Cosmetics again, Real Her. So I'll put those with my eyeshadow singles. Here we have some primers. The Rodial Glow Drops Illamasqua Hydro Veil Primer. I really like those. Another product I really like is the Tarte Stay Spray. That's my only setting spray in that box. And then for powders, I have the Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana. I've already hit pan on this. That was my only powder I had in there. I have a lot of highlighters that I had in this box. Ulta Beauty, Flesh. Let's look at the color here. There's what that looks like. And then this is my K. Voss highlighter. And then Ciate London, this actually should probably go with my blushes. LA Colors, Girlactic, Space Case. Oh, and I love this Benefit High Beam Liquid Highlighter. I also had a few lashes. These ones are fine. Not like the best lashes ever, but they're kind of more natural looking. And then for bronzer contour, I have this Trestique Contour Stick Butter Bronzer, which of course I love. And then this Morphe Face Palette, which is really nice. You got a lot of highlighters and bronzers in it. This was like my first Morphe palette. I still don't have Morphe eyeshadow palette. And then for blushes, oh, this is a throwback. The Gigi Gorgeous Ipsy Blush, which is really pretty actually. Nice packaging. And then the Balm Blush Palette. Manna Kadar Blush. And then I had a lot of foundations in this box. So the Wander Beauty foundation here. There's that. A few AOA Studio foundations. Wet n Wild foundation stick. Wet n Wild makeup blocker. This one's really nice. A nice light coverage though. And then, of course, I love the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I've got a nude stick, blur stick. Maybelline Dream Urban Cover. Oh, and then I love this Bye Bye foundation. SPF 50, but my mom loves it too, and mine's unopened, so I think I'll give that to her. And so here are my makeup drawers that I'm trying to organize everything into. I'm breaking it up by category: eyeliner, mascara, primer. I only have a little bit of my makeup collection in these drawers right now. So my goal is to organize everything into the drawers. Bronzers, blush, highlighters, powders. This will be lips, concealers, eyeshadow singles. I got these drawer sets on Amazon and I really like them. But so I have a lot of work to do, a lot of more organization to come, but I'm going to end this video here. There's Dexter. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more organization and decluttering of my makeup and skincare collection coming very soon. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.